Turning your engine AJ328. Turning good, all compressions complete. On the front, engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no brakes, all nice, all good. On this side, engines looks good, alternator look as well, no damage, no brakes. All windows looks good, no damage, no brakes, no water, all nice, all good. Starter look as well, as you can see, and gearbox looks good, no damage, no brakes, all nice, all good. And on this side, engines looks good, no damage, no break, all nice, all good. On the top, all connectors looks good, no damage, no breaks, all nice, all good. And on the bottom, as you can see, engines looks good, no cracks, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ328.